Maybe right now you are being in that struggling scenario in your learning language because you need to understand something. You need to take care your mindset because your mindset affect your process in learning language. In this video, I'm going to give you 3 points to those points support you overcome those struggling scenarios in your learning language because those scenarios is not easy overcome, but you need to understand something. If you follow these 3 points, believe me, you change that perspective about struggling or challenge. Point number 1, take care of your mindset. Guys, your mindset is the biggest tool in your body. Yes, if you don't care your mindset, believe me. Learning language is not about your background. It's not about your IQ. It's not about have good grade, excellent grade in your school. Learning language, it's about mindset because when you believe in yourself, you feel that emotion that you are able to get anything in your life. But if you don't believe in yourself, it's impossible to get something so quickly. Or maybe you give up and follow that goal. Your mindset is your most biggest challenge in your process in learning language because your mindset support you to get quickly vocabulary, quickly pronunciation. You start to understand your target language, but if you allow then your negative emotion control your mindset, those kind of thought, negative thought affect or control your process in learning language. Those scenarios create the perspective about give up in your learning language. You need to take care of your mindset. You need to feed your mindset in positive knowledge, in positive content, because if you don't do that throughout your way, it's possible to give up in your learning language because you're strongly control the motivation to learn a new language. Point number 2, read books on positive mentality. It's important, guys, that you feed your brain, you feed your mindset in positive knowledge. I told you in my first point, external knowledge is always negative knowledge, negative content, because you know nowadays we live in difficult moments, but you need to feed your brain in positive content, in positive knowledge about read. If you like to read, okay, read books about positive mentality. In my process in learning language, I set in my mind, okay, I need to read this kind of book because I don't know if you believe in that. When you start to read those kinds of content, something inside your brain start to change. Is something inexplicable. I can't explain that so easy, but something inside your brain start to change because you start to feed your brain in positive knowledge. Learning language in one part it's about motivation, and you need to motivate to yourself every single day in try to follow your goal, in be fluent, in get that new language. Motivation is one part that you need, but if your content is negative, believe me, never you are able to believe in yourself, because negative content is their purpose. Create doubt in the human being about their skills. Positive content, it's important. Everything, guys, in this world is energy, and if you put negative energy, every single result in your life is negative. But if you start to create positive energy, everything flow, everything is more comfortable for you. Point number 3, set realistic goals. Guys, this point it's important. You need to set realistic goals. If you want to be fluent in 6 months, but you are beginner, or maybe you don't know about the language, maybe that goal is unrealistic. And when you arrive in complete 6 months and you are not able to speak fluent that language, you started complain to yourself. You got it, my dear? It's important, guys. Set realistic goals. In my beginner about this language, English, always I set unrealistic goals, and always I was complaining to myself because never achieve those goals. But when I start to set realistic goals in 1 week, 1 month, 6 months, everything changed. I feel more positive to myself. I feel more motivated because those goals was realistic, and you need to understand that. I know on YouTube you can find a lot content about you can become fluent in 3 months, in 6 months, but those videos they are not realistic because create that seed or negative seed inside your head, believing that is easy to get in 6 months your target language, and you need to be serious to yourself. You know yourself. You have a lot of time. You are a student and you have a lot of time to study. Maybe it's possible. But if you work, if you have a family, maybe 6 months it's not possible, and you need to be realistic to yourself. Okay, guys, that's it about this video. I hope those points make sense in your process in learning language, and you are able to understand why you are in that scenario in a struggling moment in your learning language. Besides, guys, I understand something. When you learn a new language, you need to work on a specific skill. That skill is listening. But you are able to understand me, watch this video. Thank you for watching.